Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, guys. So today we will read the pronunciation of noun, waw, ha, hamza, ya, and ya, and the different shapes of their letters. So first one, noun. So noun comes out from the edge of the tongue and the part of the roots of the teeth towards the palate. Noon. Next one, wow. So wow comes out when both the lips don't touch the completely. Wow. Next one, ha. So ha comes out from the bottom of the throat. So there are two ha. First one, the mid throat, ha, like this ha. Look at this. This ha comes out from the mid throat, ha, and second ha, this ha comes out from the bottom throat, ha, ha. Okay. Next one, hamza. So ha and hamza comes out from the bottom part of the throat. Next one, ya and ya. So ya comes out from the middle of the tongue and the middle of the palate. So now we discuss their shapes. So when the noun come in the Quran, so the dot will be on the top of the letter, but there is a difference like this. So the dot will not be straight off the letter. It will be on the side like this. So this is the example of the noun. Okay. And when the za or zal come, so the dot will be straight on the letter like this. So this is a difference between the noun and the zal. When the noun come, the dot, the upside dot will be the will not be will be straight, but it will be the side of the letter like this. Again I write. But when the za or zal come, the letter will be straight, and za and zal has two side, one and two, but the noon only single side like this. Next one, wow. The wow shape will be same. Next one, ha. So there are some shape of the ha. Next one, first one is this is the shape of the ha, and like this the heart shape of the ha. So ha has some shapes. Okay, ha has some shapes. So this shape of the ha, and this shape of the ha, and the this shape of the ha, the heart shape. Okay, the heart shape like this. So these are the shape of the ha, and this shape of the ha also like this. Next one, hamza. So hamza will come in the Quran separately, and this shape used, the small shape of the hamza. Next one, ya. So ya, so this ya, some only two shape. Sometime ya come without dot, sometime with dot, and sometime only this shape of ya. Okay, so you remember the two dots and sometime only this shape of the ya, this shape, and this shape of the ya also the same, like this, like this. So these are the shape of the letters and the pronunciation.